people, and welcome back to my channel today. Bella Okwa don bag a huge international deal, and from wetin we dey hear, the company don dey observe Bella since 2021 before they can sign her. And also BBTitan housemates wey they call Juicy J and Yvonne, they don't go vacation for Zanzibar wey dey for Tanzania. And lastly, Neutrogena don come out come clear the air to people wey they accuse her of having a sugar daddy for one video where say she dropped few weeks ago. So Juicy J and Yvonne, both of them are Big Brother Titan housemates, and they the ship. The name of their ship na Jayvonne, Jayvonne for those who say no know. And two of them they go vacation for Zanzibar where they for Tanzania. These are some of the videos where two of them they do lovey together for that side. The way these two people they love each other online, they show us their public display of affection. You will just realize to say they understand each other and they both know what they want for themselves. One are one of biggest, most peaceful, quiet, respectable, well-mannered, loving, exemplary relationship where we say we don't get. So two of them come on live, come they explain their last night together for the Big Brother Titan mansion. So make una listen to what is saw between the two of them that night.
So naughty.
How do you guys make? How did you guys make it official? I asked her out twice. Remind Yvonne the day she was drunk with Kosi. Yeah, that night was.
Biggie played me. That's why I said Biggie did not like me, because we had a deal. I'm like, if Kosi wins, she takes me as a deputy because I needed to experience the other.
Okay, you said.
He said no. He refused though.
And Kosi did win it.
He refused, and that night I was like, "Oga, do your worst. I'm going up there."
Oga, do your worst.
Chichi is back. If you're a dancer, whatever you are, make sure you own Saturday.
How are you dancing?
I'll tell you that for free. Why not the person?
Do you know the person?
What's this? These guys tell me what.
Guys, please tell me what who Poke is. They're saying that Poke is the name of our child.
When did we have a child?
They say that when we have a baby, the name of the baby is Poke.
Name of the baby be Jermaine.
I understand.
Why is it Poke? What does it mean? Does it mean something?
Yeah, it means something. Yeah.
What does it mean? Good.
So they're saying that you know the Springboks, right?
I go no. No, I disagree with you.
They say that obviously the time I'll be playing for the Springboks. So they said the name of the child will be Poke. So they will say go Poke.
Even if I deliver on the rugby field, I'm sorry. Poke, hell no. Hell no.
I told them.
Hell
and
no.
it's coming from you.
My child's name, I told you I like the name Jermaine. My son. I'm gonna have twins. I believe God will give me twins.
You see, I told you.
These two children will be two adults. They thought once two people will be sabi enjoyment meet each other, everywhere they always boss. Yvonne loves her Juicy J and her Juicy J loves his Yvonne right back. We dey wait for the baby now. Any name wey we say una give am, I sure say Big Brother franchise fans, they go love the children exactly the same way they love una. So onto Bella matter, Bella don't land a very massive deal. For those of us where we say know who Bella be, Bella na person where we say they always like fashion. She likes fashion and she like travel. If una check out the award where we say Bella they win, she just come out of Big Brother house. It always has to do with fashion, her fashion lifestyle. So other foreign companies don't they for a comment section. If you check Bella comment section for IG where you go see say some foreign brands they there where we say they go just like her comments, they go just comment one, they will comment. This particular one don't comment since 2021. You don't see Bella photo by mistake for IG. You can't just like her. According to Bella, she said she can't hope to say this particular thing will happen to her and the thing can't happen to her. So make her read what Bella talk for now. Come say I prayed, he answered. Bella X Fashion Nova. Now Fashion Nova na be the company, the international brand. The brand na an American company. Los Angeles, California to be precise. If you just go check their handles for IG to understand most of the fashion attire wey be say they sell. So she can't continue because it's about to get very busy around here. Can't wait to share more exciting news. Her boo boo wey be say be checks come and come put plenty fire emoji. Come see check and come see say she don't get 901,000 followers for IG, and she don't put and say ambassador at Fashion Nova. She tagged them to tell you to say this one not be influencing like those ones wey they'll pay 100k. Say can't talk about my product. Lie, this one they sign as an ambassador to that brand. Not be me they even sign, but the way I take carry the matter for head, the thing tire me. I just dey so happy for the girl. Upon all the insult wey be say fans don insult her, tell her say she no get anything to do with her life other than pursuing checks up and down. Some people they don't know your story. They just dey for online. They look wetin you post, make they use and take talk. A lot of people for this life they win silently and they know they talk. You know go hear pim for their mat. Check their bank account, you go shock. Imagine say Bella na Chris person wey be say they come online, they come talk nonsense things. Did that brand come dey under her comment section without her even knowing say the brand dey her comment section? Do you think they would have signed her? So anything wey be say they do, make sure say you dey keep your brand clean. Her name Big Bella really dey follow the girl. Big congratulations to Big Bella because e no easy. Very big win for her. Now millions of dollars she will collect from this particular deal. No be small thing o. Once again, congratulations Big Bella, you deserve everything and more. Everything good and more, to be precise. So unto Mercy Eke, the winner of the Pepper Dem season, she don't come out come counter a video where we say surface on internet few weeks ago, where we say she dey for kitchen dey cook, and for the reflection of the mirror beside her, a man dey for there wey carry pot belly dey waka pass. So people come dey say shey na your sugar daddy, because she post the video as content, but people come go zoom come see say person actually dey reflect for the glass wey be say dey near the kitchen where we say she dey cook. To them allegedly they say they claim say na man na be that. Me, I don't know whether na man because I not see the thing where I just see say person wey wear boxer dey there. Women they wear boxer these days, but I don't know. I no go fit to say don't be man. I no fit to say no be woman. This year na the video where we say she dey do the cooking and the person they reflect for the camera. So she can't come out to come counter the thing. So this now wetin she can't drop. She can't do a video of that same thing, that same scenario again, so that people will watch. Mona listen to it.
Sugar daddy, please come on. I want your reflection of the. Honestly, I want your reflection. Please, I want your reflection on this thing. The last time. Okay, sure. The last time they say it was my sugar daddy, please come on. Daddy, come. I can't sure, come out now, come small. The way you were that day, exactly like that, just like that. I can see you. Move back a little bit.
Fans come out to come react after she come out to come debunk the rumor. So the first one say, were you guys expecting her to show the sugar daddy before? We all know the truth. She's just trying to debunk the rumor. Another one come say she's being shupo. So that was what people saw that day, and girl, you owe no one any explanation. Instead of lying and looking childish, just zip and maintain beauty. Come put laughing emoji. Another one come say they didn't even make any mistake. They knew what they were doing. Anyone could see it was a reflection of a woman, not a man. The next person said it was clearly a woman in the first video. Even her weaving showed. Wait, people thought it was a man. That's jump. To be BBN girl and you do nyash, people dey always believe to say you get sugar daddy, maybe say they fund your lifestyle. As we all know, Mercy Eke dey travel where she dey live a very flashy lifestyle. So a lot of people they always point fingers at her, say she dey do runs and she dey follow sugar daddy. Say na sugar daddy the last trip maybe she go, say that they very sure, say na sugar daddy nice sponsor am. Believe everybody na adult. Anything wey say anybody won't do with your life, make it continue to they do. For me, I like Mercy Eke in my own way. Una take care, una bye.